This is the bearing that was in there. And there's some grease in there. There's some, but not enough. So this is what you do. And this grease isn't bad. It's still got some color to it. So what I'm going to do is add some grease to my hand. Clean grease. Okay. Bearing's still clean, no dirt. Looks good. So what you do is you pack the grease up from here until it squirts out here. And then it's all in these little bearings and stuff like that. You just wrap around your knuckle. And by pushing on this pile, it pushes the grease up there and through, and you'll see it squeeze out. You see the old grease squeeze out, and then the new grease will start to come. See it squeeze out? So if I put something in, that means it was empty. Even though it looked like it was greased, it was empty. So now it's full. So some of the old grease is coming out, which is fine. And then there's fresh. See the fresh? You just go all the way around until it's full. I'm just taking off a little chunk at a time here. So these bearings are starving for grease. And I knew that because when I spun the wheel, it spun way too easy. It should have a little bit of grease resistance in the bearing. So this is I'm about back where I started. I'll just do right here. Boom. So now it's packed. Now the bearing weighs more. You can feel that grease in there. And then what I'll do is this grease all looks good. It's clean grease in there. In fact, there's plenty of grease in here, but it wasn't in the actual bearing where it needs to be. So that's official. And
interesting.
I'll put this back. I'll put the seal in. We're done.